XRTFs are pulling in millions while the price crashes 40%. That doesn't make sense until you understand what three major banks just did behind the scenes. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why smart money is moving opposite to price and what it means if you hold XR. Right now, XR exchange-traded funds are seeing consistent inflows. Money is coming in, but the token itself has dropped from recent highs near $3 down to around $1.80. That's a 40% haircut, while institutional investors keep buying the TF wrapper. But what's going on? Here's the thing most people miss. TF inflows don't always push price up immediately. They represent long-term positioning. These aren't day traders. These are funds and institutions parking capital for months or years. They're betting on something bigger than next week's chart. Indeed, there's one detail almost everyone missed about what banks are actually building right now. I'll get to that in a moment. First, let's talk about why the price is down despite this institutional interest. XR hit massive hype earlier this year. Retail rushed in. FOMO kicked hard. Whenever that happens, you get a natural cool down. We can sell. Rice is correct. That's not bearish. That's normal market structure after a parabolic run. But here's where it gets interesting. While retail panics and sells, institutions are accumulating through TFs at lower prices. They're not emotional. They're positioning for a longer game. Indeed, that game is called IO20022. Let me break down what IO20022 actually is, because this is the key to understanding why XR matters beyond just price action. IO20022 is a global messaging standard for financial institutions. Think of it like a universal language for banks to talk to each other when they move money across borders. Right now, the banking system uses old clunky formats from the 1970s. Messages get lost. Diamonds take days. Roars happen constantly. IO20022 fixes that. It's structured data, clean, fast, detailed. And guess what? XR was built to work with this standard from day one. This isn't some crypto fantasy. Major banks are already switching over. WIFT, the network that handles trillions in cross-border payments, is migrating to IO20022 right now. The deadline for full adoption keeps getting closer. Indie tokens like XR that are IO20022 compliant are positioned to plug directly into this new financial infrastructure. Here's why this matters to everyday people. When you send money internationally today, it's slow and expensive. Banks charge fees. It takes 3 to 5 business days. With IO20022 compliant systems and tokens like XR, that same transfer could happen in seconds for pennies. That's real utility. That's why institutions are paying attention. Now back to that detail everyone missed. 3 banks in SIA recently integrated XR into their payment corridors. No press release, no announcement, just quiet infrastructure builds. That's what smart money does. They don't buy the top of hype cycles. They build during corrections. Oh, the disconnect makes sense now. Rice is down because retail got shaken out after a huge run. TF inflows are steady because institutions are accumulating for the long-term IO20022 banking shift. 2 different time horizons, 2 different strategies. If you're thinking about entering this space and want to trade tokens like XR, you can use BitUnix. There's a link in the description to get started. Here's what to watch next. First, track those TF flows. If inflows continue while price stays suppressed, that's accumulation. Second, watch for more bank partnerships. XR already works with dozens of financial institutions, but adoption is accelerating. Third, pay attention to WIF's IO20022 migration milestones. As that deadline approaches, compliant tokens get more attention. Indeed, finally, watch $2. If XR reclaims that level with volume, it signals the correction is over and institutions might push higher. But if it breaks below 150, we could see more consolidation before the next leg up. Bottom line, price action and institutional positioning don't always match in the short term. XR is in a correction after a massive run, but the long-term thesis around IO20022 and banking infrastructure is stronger than ever. Smart money isn't trading the chart. They're positioning for a system-wide shift in how money moves globally. This is educational content only, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency. Follow Stack Daily 60 for daily crypto and money tips.